Okay, this is the third part in cleaning the computer. So after the malware bites, it has run for 32 minutes. We have 37 objects, so we do show results. There is the list of garbage that is Malwarebytes is detected or has detected. So we are going to, I wish there was a check mark for all of them, check all. So we're just going to check all these things, and then we're going to remove all these things. Before we do, I'm going to take a look. So these are some registry keys. A DLL file, okay, community alerts, some garbage. There is the registry key. There are some executable files that are basically viruses. We got some DLLs, executables, and temp. More. Okay, they look bad. That's all I could say. And there are some internal Internet Explorer looks like installers. So hard to say what they are without actually looking at the source code. These are all compiled programs. So we got them all checked. We do remove selected. So Malwarebytes has created a log for us, and we want to save this log. Let's see, it saves in its own folders, but we're just going to put it on a desktop. So we have a list of things that has been cleaned, quarantined, deleted. Okay, so now it wants to restart. Let's restart. So hopefully at this point the computer is 99% working. Last thing we need to do on it is get Microsoft Security Essentials. So that we'll get from the Microsoft's website, and I'll show you how to do that. So there was Microsoft Security Essentials on this computer. The viruses have taken it out or disabled. In either case, it doesn't work. So at this point, I don't see any errors so far. System has speeded up. It was slower. Viruses put loops in, basically force computer to do useless work. They put loops to just slow down the programs. So loop is something that it tells you, go to the kitchen 10 times. And after the 10th time, bring me a cup of water. That would be a loop that does useless work. Okay, so far looks good. We are going to go to Internet Explorer. We go to Google. Nice, that was faster. Let's go to Google. And now we want to do, okay, Microsoft Security Essentials. It's going to pre-fill it for you. You do not want to go to the first sites that come up. These are viruses, okay? You want to make sure it says windows.microsoft.com. I'm not sure why Microsoft isn't forcing those people to take down those ads. Okay, so we do download, run. How interesting. After I ran the Malwarebytes, the security essentials actually got reactivated. So I'm not going to continue installing the new version. The old one started working. So if Microsoft is listening, please check to make sure that your program is making sure that it's protecting the computer and not running away into the basement whenever there is serious problems. So we have this computer fixed. It's going to start the Security Essentials install. Last thing to do would be to run the Security Essentials scan, full scan now. So hopefully with me quitting the Internet Explorer, the installer for Security Essentials has also stopped. So at this point, we're just going to let the system run, and I usually leave it online. There is a really good test to see if there is something called rootkit viruses in the system, and here's how you do it. You go to any search engine, and we'll do Google, and you put in cars.com, cars.com. Okay. The first site that says cars.com, if you click on it, if it does not take you to cars.com, you have rootkit viruses. This is the best way to check whether your computer is behaving normally. If you type in the names or searches and they're taking you to different places, you have something called rootkit virus. There is Kaspersky out there, and they have the rootkit removal. Well, so far, I appreciate your time. Thank you.